Welcome to the project demonstration of traffic signboard detection system. So in this project we have the two sections. One is the traffic signboard section, so which can we select the three signboards, speed limit, speed bump and school zone. So based on the selection using these selection switches, so nano board will send the commands by using the RF transceiver. So RF transceiver here we are using hc-12. So the data sent by this transmitter section will be received by the receiver module. So the data will be given to the Arduino UNO board. So based on the commands we loaded in embedded C language, so based on the commands received from the hc-12 also, the so-called status continuously displayed on the LCD screen. So for example, if we select the speed limit switch, then on LCD display it will show the speed limit, along with it will provide us the beep indication by using this buzzer board. And here three selection switches are used to define the like monsoon or rain or sunny seasons. So based on the selection season, ultrasonic sensor will define the distance. For example, if we go with the monsoon season, the distance to detect the obstacle from the car, so it's going to be the 1.5 meters in our demonstration purpose. If we go with the rainy season, it's 100 meters, means 1 meter. And going to the sunny season, then it's detect the 50 centimeters. So like that we can change the seasons, then automatically the ultrasonic sensor distance also program changes inside our UNO board. So interfacing connections, LCD interface at pin number 2 to 7 and 0 pin is connected to hc-12 and 10, 11 for the SR04 and the 13th pin to the buzzer, and selection switches are A0, A1, A2 pins. And this is a breadboard to distribute the 5 volts power supply throughout the input and output modules. Here also same, we are providing 5 volts power supply to this signboard section, and we are going to distribute that 5 volts power supply to hc-12, nano and selection switches. So let us see the demonstration. So right now we have mentioned the as for sunny season and rainy season and monsoon season. Right, so now switch on the vehicle section and switch on the signboard section. Right, so now everything is normal. So let us normally, if you didn't select any season also, then the default it's going to be the 50 centimeters. Whenever the obstacle is detected under the 15 centimeters, 50, then beeps. And let us go with the sunny. So then there's a LCD shows the status of, now it is sun season. So below 50 centimeters, giving the buzzer. And coming to that, next disable this and enable the rainy season. Right, so it's 100 centimeters below, so it is giving the beep. Right, okay. And coming to the monsoon season, as the floor height is, now the system has the floor, checking the distance from the sensor to the floor, so it is below 150 centimeters, that's why it's giving the buzzer as well as showing the monsoon. Right, and let us see the traffic signs. So when we select this, there is a light indication on the nano board also. You can see that the light on and click the beeps over here. Speed limit, so now the zone is going to be the speed limit one. Disable that, it's normal again. So speed zone, speed bump ahead. And the next is school zone. So disabled one. Right, so coming to the working principle of ultrasonic sensor, whenever we place the obstacle in front of that, so this sensor consists of two modules. One is the transmitter section and another is the receiver module. So when the transmitter rays from this transmitter module reflected from the surface of the object which is in front of that, so then the reflected rays will be received by the receiver. Then a microcontroller get the trigger input and it will calculate the distance. As you know that the distance will be calculated based on the sound speed to the sound speed, as we know that already, and also the trigger time, how much of time it will take to receive the signal by the receiver module. So based on that we are going to calculate the distance, and if the distance is less than the set value based on the seasons, then automatically we will get the buzzer alert. Right.